In this video, we are going to recap all the daily essentials that you need to learn before HSK 1. If you want to say yes, then you can just say 是 or you can say 对 which means correct. 不 means not or no. 不 or you can say 不是 means that's not correct. 不是 means no. Or you can say 不对 means no or that's not correct. 我 means I or me. 你 means you. 他 means he or she. Here are daily expressions. 多少钱 means how much is that? 多少钱? If you want to say something is too expensive, you can say 太贵了. 贵 means expensive. 太 means very. 太贵了 means too expensive. Back in 2017, I would buy stuff that cost around 2 RMB, and I would say 太贵了. That means it's too expensive. I just wanted to practice my Chinese though. If you want to say is it okay? 可以吗?可以吗?没问题,没问题. 我不知道 means I don't know. Wait a moment. 等一下,等一下. Daily essentials for feelings and status. 我饿了. 饿 means hungry. If you want to say I'm tired, 我累了. 累 means tired. I'm sick. 我病了. 病 means to get sick. 我没事 means I'm fine. 没 means no. 事 means things. So 没事 means no things. That means I'm fine. Very good. 很好. 很好. 不太好 means not very good. 不太好. When pu comes with fourth tone, then we should make this a second tone. So we say 不太, not 不太. That sounds weird. 不太好. These are the most important action words. 吃饭 means to eat. 吃饭. 喝水 means to drink water. 喝 means to drink. 睡觉 means sleep. 睡觉 to sleep. 上班 means to go to work. 上班. 下班 means to get off work. 学习 means to study. 学习. 上课 to attend the class. 上课. 看书 means to read a book. 看书. 写字 means to write. 写字. 休息 means to rest. 休息. Some more daily essentials about places and transportations. 家 means home. 学校 means school. 学校. 公司 means company. 医院 means hospital. 地铁 means subway or metro. 机场 means airport. 出租车 means taxi. 出租车 means taxi. 打车 take a taxi or call a taxi. 打车. 商店 means shop or store. 商店. 饭店 means restaurant or hotel. 饭店.